Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make very beautiful scenery. First, let's establish a strong foundation. Understanding composition is key. It's about arranging elements within your frame. Try applying the rule of thirds, placing key subjects along imaginary lines or intersections for a balanced look. Also, use leading lines to naturally draw the viewer's gaze through your stunning creation. Next, let's dive into the transformative power of color and light. A well-chosen color palette can evoke specific emotions, from warm and inviting to cool and mysterious. Pay close attention to your light source. It dictates the mood and time of day. Strategic use of highlights and shadows will add incredible depth, making your scene feel three-dimensional and vibrant. Now, let's focus on the intricate details that truly bring a scene to life. Incorporating diverse textures, like rough stone or smooth water, adds tactile appeal. Don't shy away from adding small, intricate elements. They significantly boost realism. Remember to layer your scene with distinct foreground, midground, and background elements to create a rich, immersive experience. Finally, let's master perspective and scale to give your scenery a grand feel. Atmospheric perspective, where distant objects appear lighter and less detailed, adds immense depth. Introduce objects of a known size, like a small figure or a tree, to clearly establish the scale of your environment. Overlapping elements further enhance the illusion of three-dimensional space, making your scene truly captivating.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.